If you're seeing this between November 1st and November 11th, your Pleiadian guides have placed this into your timeline because you're ready for a source code activation and a resonance shift to create authentic expression and create a flow for your highest timeline. This is the second transmission out of the 11 transmissions that I'll be channeling for the 1111 portal. And not everyone is ready for this. So if you're not ready to shift into your highest timeline, I'll give you a moment to scroll. Okay, if you're still here, I'm assuming that you consent to this energy activation, but remember, your energy responds to your action and your choice. So let's get this started by anchoring your choice to receive the full impact of this transmission to support you in leveling up to your highest timeline. Simply type in the comments, I choose to shift, and let's anchor this in. Imagine that your consciousness has vibrational settings, okay? Kind of like your phone has options for how bright the screen is or the power button. During this activation, I'm going to send instructions to your consciousness to adjust some of those settings and activate your resonance shift for your highest timeline. But before we start, I want to make sure you feel safe and empowered. This is not a meditation, this is not breath work, and this is not hypnosis. This is a resonance shift that my Pleiadian guides taught me how to do to myself, and you remain 100% in control the entire time. Any change you experience is always your choice. And my intention with these transmissions is to simply direct your awareness to the power that you already have within yourself to make a shift into a positive frequency and a positive resonance. To amplify the shifts as we go through this transmission, simply say the word allow in your mind after each transmission. Now, how this is going to work is I'm going to count down from 9 to 0. When I reach 0, the transmission will begin. All you need to do is allow and notice how your consciousness responds. When we finish, I will count up from 0 until we reach the anchor frequency, at which point your consciousness will return to normal operation. In the hours and days that follow this, you may notice profound changes both in the way you feel and the way your life unfolds. Some of you will receive major opportunities that you've been waiting for, and some of you will find the exact knowledge or support or the steps you need to take in your personal life for your spiritual evolution, or maybe even in your business. Throughout this transmission, you might feel sensations in your body or notice emotional or mental shifts. This is simply your body, your nervous system, and your consciousness calibrating to the new vibration that you are choosing. All right, let's begin. Keep your eyes open, lock in with me right here, look into my eyes, and take a deep breath in. And just notice what you notice, feel what you feel, see what you see, and then let it all be. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Consciousness source code unlocked. System update open. Harmonic. Activate resonance frequency 3, 9, 6. Current timeline anchor disengaged. Self-criticism 0%. Fear of judgment 0%. Authentic expression 100%. Creative blocks 0%. Self-worth 100%. Personal power 100%. People pleasing 0%. Remember to breathe. Take a deep breath gently in and gently out. Activate integration frequency 6, 3, 9. Creative flow 100%. Joyful creation 100%. Imposter syndrome 0%. Inner knowing 100%. Comparison 0%. Perfectionism 0%. Embodied confidence 100%. Remember your breath gently in, gently out. Activate embodied frequency 963. creative action, integrate, authentic voice, expand, soul's expression, activate, system update, harmonizing, creative flow, 100%, source code, secure, locked, experience, regenerating. Remember your breath, gently in and gently out. Activate anchor frequency 999. Highest timeline anchor engaged. Feeling interface aligned. Thought interface aligned. Resume normal activity on anchor frequency code 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Take another deep breath, gently in, gently out. Feel into your body. And let me know in the comments how your energy feels and what shifted, what you noticed, and what you experienced. Save this video and come back to it to share what happens for you between now and the 11th, and come to the Cycle Breakers training that I'm doing this week at the link in my bio, where I'll be unpacking how to embody full mastery of your 13 chakra system to create even bigger shifts in your personal life, your spiritual expansion, and even in your business. I'm posting 11 of these transmissions, one each day of the 1111 portal. If this is the first transmission you've seen, then you are in wave 2, and you've caught the second wave. Anchor it in by commenting which wave found you first, and then share this with others so they can ride the wave with you through this portal. I'll also be sharing a new transmission each day to help you shift different aspects of your energy system into alignment for your highest timeline. So make sure you're following, and you can also repeat these again anytime in the future to continue anchoring yourself into the energies of your highest timeline. So I'll see you there on the flip side in the next wave.